Brad Williams XL primed COUNTIF. We're going to continue COUNTIF. Now, I'm not going to be looking directly at the camera because these glasses here generate horrible glare that when I sign off or sign in, sorry, I'm not looking directly at the camera. Why? Because it's a distraction. I don't want you to be distracted. Back to the topic at hand. COUNTIF. Very, very straightforward. The previous example was kind of fun in that we included the date function. Here, we're using the COUNTIF versus the COUNTIFs. COUNTIF is going to count only a single element. In other words, H. And then it'll go down and it'll find anything with an H. The only challenge is understanding the wildcard. We're going to include a wildcard here. And that means anything included behind the H will be counted. Just taking a preview, look through your list, find anything that ends with an H. Radish. So whatever is behind radish or before radish or H, excuse me, we'll count it. Now, if we put, you see rhubarb? Well, rhubarb has an H, but guess what? It's not counted. All we're doing is counting the H, and anything prior to it is just part of the wildcard functionality. What you need to keep in mind is the proper input. So COUNTIF counts cells that meet a criteria. What's the criteria? Wildcard H. Be sure to put them in a quote. In this case, ES. So go through, look at your list. ES. We have strawberries, and we have nettle. So let's go in here. Let's take a look and see if it will break down. F9. All we're doing is whatever's in B5 to B15 is what we're reviewing. And then ES. So that's all it does. And then if we go in here and we go range, F9, and then it just breaks down the criteria. That's about it with the COUNTIFs. It's simple, it's straightforward, but there's some flexibility. You can throw in this wildcard deal here. Brad Williams XL Prime.